Hi guys, I want to cover how we're going to add a new addition or a new menu item to your additions, and also how to bring in a duplication of a menu item and bring that into your additions. So let's get into it. We've got the Modix Manager. We're already logged in. I'm going to just preview the menu here by right-clicking and then clicking on preview resources. We see right now in additions, if we click in here, we've got two salads. I want to add a Greek salad, say, to our additions. And we know we've got that already. If I drill into menu and food, soups and salads, there's a Greek salad already here. So the easiest thing we can do is right click, duplicate resource is what we'll click OK, and then we're going to come in here and edit this. So the first thing we can do is move it by clicking the resource parent and that little folder icon. You'll see it opens. It goes from closed to open. And now we've got to go put it where we want it to show up. So instead of the food menu, we're going to bring it into additions. And then we're also going to drill into the appetizers, and that's where it should live. So I'll now click on appetizers, that resource ID of 58. And as soon as I do that, it changes. And then we'll go up here and save and continue editing. So it should now display here under appetizers. You notice it displays at the bottom. If we wanted it to be at the top or display first, we would just change this index and go all the way maybe up to 0. Starts at 0 and goes incrementally up. Let's click 0 and save, and now that should bring it to the top. And as sometimes you have to refresh this tree right here, and that should update. Let's see, I'm going to close some of these. Let's see if we can, maybe I didn't click save here. That's probably why we're not seeing it yet. So I click save. If we refresh the site tree here, we should see that move up to the top. Interesting. So all of these others have resource values of 0. That's why it's not showing up at the top. So we would need to go in and change these two that are blue and currently published. We would need to move these to 1, and that would push it down. So I did that. Click save, and then let's pull the Caesar salad. Let's make that 2, and that should also be brought down. 1, 2. Save. Okay, good. So that also will mean that the Greek salad should display at the top. The last thing that we've got to do is go back here and publish it. So I'll right click or Apple click or control click if you have a Mac, and then left click on publish resource, and then left click on the OK button. So that should now change it to blue, which it does, and then we'll go in here and we'll just clean up the name. We'll call this Greek salad instead of duplicate Greek salad. Save and close, and then when we refresh the page here, we should see that we have now added a Greek salad to our appetizers. Hope that was helpful. Give me a shout if you have questions.